Students, now we can move the topic of Unit 3 Other Machine Tools. Syllabus: Shaper, type of operation, drilling, reaming, boring, tapping, milling operations, type of milling cutter, gear cutting, forming and generation, principle and construction of gear milling, hobbing and gear shaping process, finishing of gears. Okay. First we can discuss about the shaper machines. Show the diagram. The shaper machine. Shaper, planer and slaughter are used for machining. Flat surface which may be horizontal, vertical or inclined surface. Single point cutting tools are mainly used in these machines. Drilling, grinding, boring, milling and broaching machines are not used for machining flat surface, but they are performing specific operation by using multi-point cutting tool. Okay. The shaper having a reciprocating type of machine tool with a single point cutting tool is used to produce a flat surface. Once again, the shaper having a reciprocating type of machine tool with a single point cutting tool is used to produce flat surface. It has three important parts: table, tool head, ram. Okay. The shaper is the reciprocating type of machine tool in which the ram moves the cutting tool backward and forward in straight line. The shaper is a machine tool used primarily for producing flat or plane surface which may be in horizontally, vertical or angular plane, making slot, grooves and keyways, producing contour of concave, convex or a combination of this. Working principle: the job is rigidly fixed on the machine table. The single point cutting tool held properly. The tool post is mounted on a reciprocating ram. The reciprocating motion of ram is obtained by a quick return motion mechanism. As the ram reciprocates, the tool cuts the material during its forward stroke. During return, there is no cutting action and the stroke is called the ideal stroke. The forward and return stroke constitute one operating cycle of the shaper. Next, shaper machine. This is a soft feed laterally tool reciprocates. This is the according type of driving mechanism: crank drive type, Whitworth driving mechanism, hydraulic drive type. This is a shaper machine. Base, table support, table, vise and above the work and above the surface of tool and above tool post, tool slide, vertical tool feed, hand wheel. Another one of the shaper head, swivel clamp, a ram position control nut, a ram locking clamp, a ram driving mechanism, column, foundation bolt. Shaper machine. The main part of shaper machine is base, body, that's pillar, frame, column, cross rail, ram and tool head, tool post, tool slide, clamper box, black. Shaper machine. The base. The base is heavy cast iron casting which is fixed to the shop floor. It supports the body frame and the entire load of machine. The base absorbs and withstand vibrations and other forces which are likely to be induced during the shaping operation. Shaper machine. Body, pillar frame, column. Body is the pillar frame column. It is mounted on the base and houses the drive mechanism compressing the main drives, the gearbox and the quick return mechanism for the ram movement. The top of the body provides guideways for the ram and its front provides the guideways for the cross rail. Shaper machine. Cross rail. The cross rail is mounted on the front of the body frame and can be moved up and down. The vertical movement of cross rail permits job of different heights to be accommodated below the tool. Sliding along the cross rail is a saddle which carries the work table. Another one is the shaper machine. A ram and a tool head. The ram is driven back and forth in its slide by slotted link mechanism. The back and forth movement of ram is called stroke and it can be adjusted according to the length of the workpiece to be machined. Shaper machine. According to the position of ram, horizontal shaper, vertical shaper, traveling shaper. according to table design, plain shaper, universal shaper. This is shaper machines to produce a surface, grooved black, dovetail side, guide clip, V black. This is the clapper box function, cutting action and functioning of clapper box. This above diagram is notification of cutting tool direction and angle. Specification of shaper machine. Specification of shaper. The size of shaper is specified by the maximum length of stroke or cut it can take. Usually the size of shaper ranges from 175 to 900 mm. Besides the length of stroke. Other particulars such as type of drive, belt drive or individual motor drive, flow space required, weight of the machine, cutting to return stroke ratio, number and amount of heat, power input ratio. Another one is shaper machine. Shaper operation. A shaper is a machine tool primarily designed to generate the flat surface by a single point cutting tool. The different operation which a shaper can perform are as follows: machining horizontal surface, machining vertical surface, machining angular surface, slot cutting, keyways cutting, machining irregular surface, machining spline and cutters. Shaper machine shaper operation machining horizontal vertical surface on shaper. Another one of the machining vertical surface on shaper. Initially first column machining horizontal vertical surface on shaper. Another one machining vertical surface on shaper. Another one is machining angular surface on shaper. Okay. Next we have the slot cutting, keyway cutting, irregular machining. Slot cutting on shaper. Keyway cutting on shaper. Another one machining irregular surface on shaper. Shaper machine or shaper operations: index pin, index plate, worm gear, worm handle, cylindrical job, tail stroke, machining splines and cutting gears on shaper. Thank you.